Round 80. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 12, effective until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hunt, Kaufman, Rockwall, and Tarrant. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is